Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we are going to talk about one of our favorite TV series, Heartland. Mark Haroon shares his experience on his 15th season as a writer on Heartland. Former St. Albert playwright also talks about what happens behind the scenes during filming. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. CBC renewed the longest-running Canadian scripted television drama series Heartland for a 15th season. The multi-generational saga is set on a ranch in Alberta's rolling foothills. Season 15 of the series will air on Sunday, October 17, 2021, with 10 episodes. The series, which was also been picked up in the United States, is filmed with panoramic cities in Calgary, High River, Millarville and Longview. The magnificent views coupled with the relationship between Amy Fleming, her older sister Lou, their widowed grandfather Jack and Tim, Lou's ex-husband, create the powerful family moments that keep viewers turned in. Former St. Albert playwright Mark Haroon, who lives in Calgary, is Heartland's senior writer. He is a part of an award-winning team that includes producer and showrunner Heather Conkey, Ken Crow, Alexander Clark, and Ellen Kwan. During the first season, Haroon was hired as a junior writer. His talent of creating and developing character and working with a team surfaced immediately, and he quickly rose through the ranks. During his first season on the job, Haroon never thought that Heartland would reach 15 seasons. No, definitely not. Anytime a show lasts beyond the first season, you're thrilled and excited to move forward. The fact that it kept going is wonderful, and I feel very lucky to have continued as long as we have. We have a producer, Michael Weinberg, who from the beginning said it would go 15 seasons or more. I don't think any of us believed him, but it turned out he was right, Haroon said. The international success of the series is a part of a resourceful and creative team of writers who develop strong scripts with relatable characters and believable events in their lives. We're unique in that we're able to tell multi-generational stories. We have characters from 5 to 70 years old, and we're able to tell different kinds of stories so a family can come together and watch the show. Obviously, I don't do this alone. Heather Conkey is the head and showrunner, who has an endless well of enthusiasm. It's her passion. She really pushes her team to write new and interesting stories as we go forward, Haroon said. We have this combination of incredible actors that work so beautifully. Their chemistry, the work they do together works so beautifully. The casting director did a great job early on. You can never predict how an actor will work out, but it worked out beautifully. And that's what I mean by lightning in a bottle, he said. Season 15 started with writers meeting in January and tossing around ideas before they hit the computers for long hours of writing and rewriting. This season, Haroon is in charge of 3 episodes. Once the camera rolls on his script, he can be found on set adjusting last-minute changes. In January, we didn't know if we would be picked up, but we always worked on the assumption that we would. And so we had already started the process of coming up with stories. Over the years, Haroon created and developed numerous storylines and character arcs. One particular close to his heart was Ty Borden. The troubled teen came to the ranch to complete his probation after landing in juvie. Ty had attacked his stepfather for assaulting his mother. The troubled teen finished high school, became a vet, and then married Amy. There was a character, Ty, and we met his father, and that was the first episode I wrote. I really explored that character, and his past was one of the storylines I really embraced. That's one that sticks out, and I enjoy Jack as a character. He plays off Tim, who is an ex-son-in-law. They have a 10-year relationship, and they also have a very deep respect for each other. It's really an interesting dynamic. But sadly, at the beginning of season 14, Tai dies. The actor Graham Waddle, who plays Tai, decided to take his career in a different direction and left the series. Tai's death came as a shock to audiences, allowing the season to go in on new directions. Grief is a difficult subject, but it is a very real subject that all families deal with. It really brought out new qualities in Amber and she really embraced it. Her performance is pretty fantastic. In season 15, Amy and her daughter Lindy will set aside grief and face the future with optimism. Amy is embracing the future. She is moving forward. She is focusing on raising her daughter. She is focusing on her work with horses. For the other characters, Jack, Lou, and Tim, they're also pursuing their dreams of fulfilling old ones. I think it's really about moving forward, exploring renewal and embracing the future, Harun concluded. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the Burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.